Good morning, everybody.
It is May 29th, and we are celebrating our 60th anniversary down at Rockwood. And we're going to raffle off the second Chromed Out Minibike for Team Life. All proceeds go to Team Life.
You win. Perfect.
Alright. We got all the goodies loaded. Let's head on down to Rockwood. Yeah, we are here at Rockwood. Looks like Jose made it out. ¿Qué pasó?
Señor.
Alright, we are out here at the 60th anniversary. It's about 2 o'clock. Got a little bit of a turnout. I was worried at first. Everyone showed up. I guess the best thing to do is to give you a quick buttery slow-mo of all the cars out here. What's up, everybody out there in Facebook world? We are about 3 minutes away from raffling off the second out of 10 Chrome Minibikes. We are out here at Rockwood Go-Karts, celebrating our 60th anniversary. There's a party going on behind me. Oh, here's what you guys are raffling off. A Rascal Chromed Out Minibike. Clean, clean, clean. Money's all day. All the money goes to Team Life. Welcome, everybody! And now, without further ado, we are going to pull 5 tickets. And hopefully, one of these 5 tickets goes to one of you guys out here. So Aldo's going to pull. Yeah, give it a spin. Aldo's going to give it a spin. Our first ticket, online and in person, goes to Willie Daniel. Hey, Willie, good job. You won. I have an extra large t-shirt, just throw it! All right, our second ticket goes to Louis Malone. And the wind engine winner is Wayne Lowry. All right, we got some hats to throw out. Here we go! But it is a mini bike frame, a Mega Moto 80. Surprise number 4, Vanna White, pull us out. Oh my goodness. So the mini bike was won by another guy who had already won. Wayne Lowry, you just won a mini bike. 9-0, yeah, you got a motor and a mini bike. You just made everyone upset. But thank you, Lowry. All right, grand time ticket. Pro mini bike, Rascal Minibike, and Vanna White. Hit me with this last ticket. The suspense is killing me. Oh, someone from here won. That's Dot Tiaficante. Dot Tiaficante. I know you're here. Oh, she won. Congrats. She's going to be speeding. I can tell just looking at her. I want you guys to see the winner right here. Come here, Dot. Dot. You are the winner of the mini bike. Congratulations. This one's yours right here. Dot. This is you, all chromed out. Thank you guys so much for coming out here today. If you guys have any questions, if you guys want to buy one of these just outright, come see me. We sell these all day. But thank you guys. Enjoy your party and go ride some go-karts and eat some food truck stuff. Bye. All right, we are done with the second Chromed Out Mini Bike raffle. I want to thank everyone who participated, bought a raffle ticket, who came out and celebrated at our 60th anniversary bash at Rockwood Go-Karts. Appreciate you a ton. Thank you to all the food trucks, all the spectators, everyone who supported us and supported Team Life. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. So I'm gonna take a few photos of the Rascal Minibike before we ship it out to Dot, our second mini bike raffle winner. Thanks everyone. You guys take care and see you next raffle.